does the name Eryri come from? Behind me, you should be able to see, because it's one of my favourite views, the mountains of Snowdonia, or in Welsh, Eryri. Now, the name Eryri is up for debate. A lot of people think it's related to the word Eryr, which means an eagle, but the plural of eagles is Erirod, not Eryri. So actually, I think, and a lot of other people do as well, that it comes from the Latin word oriri, which means to rise, from the verb orerir, I think, I can't remember. It comes from the Latin verb to rise, so it means something like highlands. Well, the English name is pretty easy. It comes from Old English, snow, and dun, which is a hill in Old English, so Snowdon, the snowy hills. Now, I think a long time ago, and this is just a theory, got no evidence to back it up, that our ancestors used to see the mountains as almost like a set of burial mounds, because a lot of the names of the mountains are related to do with grave sites, like Agarn, a Carnedda,